Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, we're going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. And I have to tell you guys, I have really been enjoying these subscriptions from this company. For three reasons, I'll tell you real quick. Reason number one, the beads in these boxes are check beads, and they are beautiful quality beads. As you know, if you've watched my channel for a long time, you know that I love check beads. And reason number two, the projects have been very easy to do. And reason number three, the projects are absolutely stunning. This is my third box, and every time I've gotten a box, I love the finished piece of jewelry. They're just so pretty. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And before I do, I just want to let you know, I will have a link for this box down in the description bar so you can go and check out for yourself. And there is always two projects in this box. The last two boxes I got, there was a necklace and bracelet in each box. Actually, the last box had 4 bracelets in it. They were stretch bracelets. So, yeah, really nice pieces. So let's go ahead and open this up. So in each subscription you get, there will be a piece of paper that has a website for you to go to with your own personal link. It's a video on how to make the projects in this box, so I'm not going to show that because it's my own personal website to go to. But it looks like there's going to be a bracelet and a necklace in here. This is a memory wire, so I'm thinking there's going to be a memory wire bracelet. And there are product codes, by the way, for you to go to the website, and if you want, you can reorder these same pieces. And this is beach ring wire, so I'm thinking there's going to be a bracelet, memory wire bracelet, and necklace. And here we have some beautiful beads. They're calling these flower beads. I've gotten these in past subscriptions. They're check. Really pretty. It's a transparent brown with a silver color on it. And then we have 3mm check drux in the matte Labrador color. And here are some really pretty cathedral beads. This is an olivine color, and there's silver on the ends. Those are really pretty. Love those. And here are some more flower beads. This is that jonquil color, that really pale yellow that I see a lot of in check beads. And there's silver on this one too. These are pretty. I love those also. And let's see. So here is a split ring. So here are some findings. Here's my lobster claw. Here are some bicones, and this is Crystal Picasso bicones. Those are pretty. And we have a little charm. This is cute. It's a Tree of Life charm. It's double-sided. And here are some more beads. Ooh, these are pretty. That's a neat color. I think it's a two-tone. It's like green and aqua. It looks like this one's green and then this one looks aqua, so it might be one of those two-tone check beads. Those are cool. And we have 4mm check fire polish beads in a brown color, like that too. And here are some more cathedral beads. And are these the same or are they different size? Oh, they're different color. Yeah, these are like the olive green, and these here are more of the yellow green. So those are different colors. And then we have, here's another package of cathedral. These are a very unusual color. I don't even know how to describe this color. I can't tell if it's green or if it's like topaz. It looks different on the camera. But they are pretty. There's a lot of cathedral beads in here. Now we have more findings. Here are crimp covers, crimps. This looks like a little bail. This might be for a charm. That's a bail. And then there is a ball head pin. So I am going to, like I did last time, go online to their website, follow that secret link, and I'm going to learn how to make these pieces, and I will make them, and I will post a picture of the finished pieces at the beginning and the end of this video so you guys can see it. And again, I will have a link for the subscription down there in the description bar, so you guys can go there and check it out for yourself. This is I hope that you found this video helpful. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos. And like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.